Welcome to the world of programming. In this video, we'll take a journey into the fundamentals of programming, exploring what it is, why it's important, and how you can get started. Programming is the process of writing instructions or code that tells a computer what to do. It's like giving a recipe to a chef or directions to a driver. Just as a recipe guides the chef to create a delicious meal, code guides the computer to perform specific tasks. Programming is important because it's the foundation for creating the digital world around us. From websites and apps to games and software, programming powers the technology that shapes our lives. The first step to getting started with programming is to choose a programming language. There are many different programming languages, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular languages for beginners include Python, Java, and JavaScript. Once you've chosen a language, you'll need to learn the basics of syntax and structure. Syntax is the set of rules that govern how code is written, while structure refers to the way code is organized into blocks, statements, and functions. There are many resources available to help you learn programming, including online tutorials, books, and coding boot camps. You can also practice your programming skills by working on simple projects, such as building a calculator or a website. Learning to program has many benefits, including problem-solving skills, creativity, career opportunities, and personal satisfaction. Programming is an exciting and rewarding skill to learn. It opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to create, solve problems, and make a real impact on the world. So, if you're curious about programming, take the first step today and start exploring this fascinating field.